how to set voting reminders notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. In Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, go to preference section and you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can tap this. Here in notifications, you can see here the what notifications you receive. And below of this, okay, you can see here the voting reminders. Okay, you can tap this to set. And now you can see here the location. So you can set this or change this, the location. Okay, you can tap this. And for my example, you can search the location. So for my example, Manila. And below, you can see the option of Manila. So for my example, Manila is road. You can tap this. And okay, we have successfully changed this location. And also you can turn on or off the election reminders notification. So okay, the election reminders is on. So for my example, I turn off this. Okay, you can tap this, the button on the right side, and you can see the pop-up below. So you can set into snooze or you can turn off. So for my example, I turn off this. Okay, that's it. We have successfully set the voting reminders notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.